Transferring money from an atomic wallet to a bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, you have to convert cryptocurrency to fiat. What you have to do is open up your atomic wallet and navigate to the section where you can exchange or sell your cryptocurrencies. Now you have to choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert and select the fiat currency you want to receive, for example, USD or Euro. After that, follow the instructions to complete the conversion. Once you're done with this transfer, fiat to your bank account. After converting your cryptocurrency to fiat, transfer the funds to an exchange or platform that allows withdrawals to your bank account. So this may involve sending the funds to a centralized cryptocurrency exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase that supports fiat withdrawals. After that, on the exchange, navigate to the withdrawal or transfer section. Then choose the option for withdrawing funds to your bank account. Now provide the necessary banking details, including your account number and routing information. You have to follow these steps to complete the withdrawal. After that, you have to keep in mind that the withdrawal process may take some time, as it depends on the processing time of both the cryptocurrency platform and your bank. So this is how you can transfer your money from the atomic wallet to your bank account.